Continues to resonate in the parliament. Fireworks are also expected over several other issues. The Congress will be giving an adjournment notice in the Lok Sabha on Tamil Nadu government seeking the centre's nod regarding its decision.
No response now. I am not allowing anybody. हो गई आपकी बात. No, please.
Madam Speaker, a task force was appointed.
No.
A task force was appointed to.
I'm sorry. You want? Yes. No,
The task force on judicial impact assessment was constituted by the government on the directions of the Supreme Court in the matter of Salem Bar Association versus Union of India. Of course, the terms of reference to the said task force, which was headed by Justice Janardhan Rao, was to assess the methodology likely to impact on the legislation on courts, suggest the ways and means for judicial impact assessment, assessments of financial requirements, so that the financial memorandum attached to each bill.
Also with us right now, Ashal, the Tamil Nadu government has already expressed their willingness to release all the 7 convicts who are serving life sentence in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. Now, we just heard Rahul Gandhi, and he understandably would not want to comment on this. He's personally so, attached to this particular case. But what about the other, senior Congress leaders? What do they have to say about this move?
Well, we were seeing that Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge was speaking on behalf of the Congress party in Lok Sabha.
Yes.
What they're saying is that they want a discussion. The Congress party feels, many leaders of the Congress party feel that the AIDMK is doing it purposely because the elections are just around the corner and they want to gain sympathy on this regard, and the BJP is also colluding with them. That is why they wanted a discussion on this. Now, what we've heard that the speaker has not allowed them, but yes, the Congress party raising it up in a big time.
Absolutely. Now, will it be only this matter that the Congress would like to take up in Parliament today, or are there any other things that are lined up for the day, Ashar?
Well, just a little while back, there was a huge protest by the Congress members of Parliament, all of them, both of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, in front of the Gandhi statue. What they were saying was that the statements made by the MOS HRD Ramshankar Kathiria are something which are not done, and he should be dismissed. There was a huge protest there, which just finished. Now, they're going to raise this issue also. In fact, in Rajya Sabha, there's been a calling attention motion on this, and perhaps a discussion would be scheduled at around 2 p.m. today afternoon.
Okay, now, coming to this case about freeing the assassination convicts of Rajiv Gandhi, freeing the killers of Rajiv Gandhi's, Ashar, is, a very emotive issue of the Gandhi family, and one can imagine Rahul Gandhi not wanting to comment on the matter. But what about, the other members of Parliament? Why would they want to discuss this matter? Because it's something related to the state. The state has written to the centre. And now it's the government for them to decide on, the release of these convicts.
Well, A, anything can be discussed in Parliament with the permission of the chair. B, they are saying that when Aircel Maxis deal and Karti Chidambaram, who is not a member of the House, can be discussed on the floor of the House, why can't this be discussed on the floor of the House? Third point which they are making is that these 7 convicts who are being freed are no ordinary convicts accused of a murder. They are accused of murdering a former Prime Minister of this country. Fourth, they are saying is that there is political advantage which the AIDMK is taking. Fifth, they are saying is that what is the parity? There should be some sort of parity, which is that what happens to killers of certain individual and what happens to killers of certain other individual. There needs to be a parity. Sixth point which they are making is that the BJP is not coming out clean and mentioning their point of view. The seventh point which they are making is that the Congress first family, that is the Gandhis, have had a closure as far as this entire episode is concerned. But is that closure also sufficient, and whether the Government of India also concurs with that closure? Now, will this be setting a precedent that if the family has a closure, those people will be freed? So these are about 7-8 points which the Congress party is raising in the House, though the Gandhis personally are quiet on this.
Yes, absolutely, and understandably so. Ashar, for now, thanks so much for joining us. We, of course, will keep coming back to you.
Let's now get you the latest from Jalalabad in Afghanistan. The fierce gun battle that was on between terrorists and security forces has now come to an end.
Okay guys, we have to